Yo, hello, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. This is the second day of the challenge del Alpha Capital del 10K. Yesterday we took a loss. That we were around minus 1.24 of challenge. And yeah, this is the next day, and we'll see if we can manage to find the trade today. Okay. Yeah, so there's no need to talk a lot. يلا في حالنا نصغر شوية ده. So yes, as you can see, هنا minus 1.24 negative challenge. We took one trade yesterday. It was a loss, 0% win rate so far. And yeah, this is about it. So yesterday خدينا a loss هنايا. We expected the price أنه يبوشي higher, but كان باقي عنده جهة ديال one leg, still one leg had price pullback. Yesterday I could have actually followed the structure in 15 minutes, but I couldn't really find a change of character to the downside هنا فد شوية though. So yeah, I guess we could have taken a trade around these areas to the downside, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's go to 4 hours. Just be a little bit clear, okay? So yeah, so yesterday 4 hours price can be around these areas right over here. So of course after a break of swing structure you can expect a pullback. So in this case the supply zone اللي unmitigated هي هذه. Of course هذه leg كاملة because price did not break with the body here. So this counts as a full internal leg. And now and here. Yeah, so of course we have to keep in mind بأن daily actually fulfill the objective ديالو, which is to pull back to this demand zone. Okay, so هنايا price could not break the structure. هنايا we had a pullback further. اللي كده هاد اللو هادي جا demand zone ديال daily, and now we're starting to see a push. So usually yeah, from here we expect a continuation باش انه يفulfill الobjective ديال هاد الليغ هادي ديال daily اللي هو يبريك لنا swing structure ديال daily. Okay, so what we do is we follow the swing structure internal structure ديال 15 minutes. So far for 4 hours of still bearish. Swing structure is still bearish. Internal structure is still bearish as well. So هنايا actually we are in a supply zone deal 4 hours, and yeah, so we'll go to 15 minutes and we'll see if we can find a clearer picture. So yeah, so if this demand zone here, we had price missile, had supply zone, we had the reaction from it, then it slashed through it, came back to the demand zone, then we had another push. So هنايا عنا our swing breaker structure. This is another swing breaker structure, so we follow the swing structure ديال 15 minutes. So هذه swing low ديالنا 15 minutes, وهذه هي swing high ديال 15 minutes. Okay, so after a break of swing structure they can expect a pullback. So what we can see so far is that price broke the swing structure. We had a reaction, tried to push again, couldn't. We got, and now we had our fractal change of character. Fractal change of character. Price supply zone اللي change of character. Then we had another leg. price صراحة ما بريكاناش body yeah. So internal structure ديالنا هي هادي ديال internal structure internal low وهادي هي ال internal high ديالنا. So كيداش كاينة. So let's remove this so do not get confused. Um, yeah. So usually the fractal structure. So we had a change, pullback. We had another push. Then we had another pullback to this supply zone. So we expect the price from here to actually pull back deeper into the swing demand zone um, to continue the push higher. Okay. Yeah, I think so far it's good. We had our change of character هنا دابا ديال 1 minutes. So entry point هنايا. Let's actually see. Yeah, I think price already pushed further باش انه يرجع عندك demand zone. I don't think it's gonna happen. There's this reaction zone. كاين هذا reaction zone from this demand هنايا. Yeah, so we have price main pullback and had fractal demand zone ديال 1 minute. We had a reaction but supply took over هنايا and slashed through it. So yeah, I think we can take our setup right over here. Stop loss 2.5 pips. واخا ما تجيش above this, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna go higher, right? If it does, then it does, and we lose the trade, and it is what it is, and we go to the next day. But so far, this is our setup. We are going to take it. Entry point. Oh, setup alors. Stop loss. And yeah, so if price pushes lower, the price push lower break in structure أو لا push lower to another zone هادو غادي remove a trade because I think it's gonna be too late تكسب باش أنا ناخدو trade but so far trade is still valid. Okay, see you later. Yep. So guys, yeah, I'm going to remove this trade. Okay. Yeah, it's too late باش انه البرايس يرجع تاني هنايا وترجعني عادي هاود ويبريكي. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. And if it does happen, I don't want to be involved in this trade. Yeah, should already be in for the الوقت هذا. Okay. So now we wait for price to break the structure. Let's go to 15 minutes and actually check premium discounted zones. Yeah, so I think the last demand zone كسبان لي هي هادي swing demand zone هادي. This is a good area of interest. This one we had a reaction from at least multiple times. First time, then a second time. Yeah. So I think we're gonna slash through it this time. And yeah. So now we wait, I guess. And if I see another setup forming, then I will let you guys know again. Okay. See you later. Yup. Hello guys. Ugh. Yeah, hello guys. So let me just take this like this. Okay. So نحيدو هاد التريد هادي. Let's go to 5 minutes. So price من وصلنا usually it should have broken this demand zone, this low هادي. It did not break it yet. But we had a reaction from it. Okay. I think مش لي trade. Shit. So إذا جات شي good bullish candle in هاد الاريا هادي, I might take it again to the downside, yeah. So something like this. Uh, yeah, I think we're taking it this trade right over here. Yeah, we're gonna put 100. 17 to 93. 17 to 93 scenario. 2.5. Go to 5 minutes. Add low. Oh, I don't know if you can see. Okay. Yes, now you can see. And add low 5 RDNO. Go to 15 minutes. Put it on 5R. 6R. 540. 508 صافي ديك. Great. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated if this trade hits stop loss or hits RTP, okay? See you guys later then. Yeah, guys, so I closed the trade because I forgot actually to check النيوز. هيخرجوا نيوز ديال اليورو. I don't want to risk it. ما اعرفش if this is gonna affect the market a lot. Let's see. Yeah, kinda didn't صراحة. But yeah, I didn't wanna risk it تجي شي candle عاوتاني وشي حاجة تخرجنا, okay? So yeah, if we see another reaction, we go for another entry. Other than that, is what it is. This is the setup that we took. We will leave it in case we don't find a re-entry. We'll see إذا كانت التريدة دي تهتنا TP ولا لا, okay? So we have re-entered again. 17 to 83. 17 to 83. It's going right over here. 5R to 15 minutes. 5R is around here. 508. Yeah, so we'll just let the trade be, and yeah, we'll see how it does. We'll see if it hits TP or it's gonna hit our stop loss. And we'll see if we manage to put it on break even or not, okay? Yeah, I'll see you guys later then. Bye. Yep. So guys, I don't think there's a reason أنا نخلي التريد ديالنا دابا stop loss. We're gonna put it on break even. And yeah, we'll let it rip. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Yo guys, yeah, as you can see, we managed to hit our TP. For the 5R. ما عرفتش ايش حكنت عامل صراحة. خرجت 490 to 4.9. Okay, so that was around here. That's yeah, it was 4.92. خرجت around here. Yeah, it was a good setup. It was a good trade. It was actually a continuation of the push. The bad said this trade هنايا الأولانية بشي $30 بروفيت because كانوا يخرجوا بزاف ديال النيوز ديال اليورو and yeah صراحة ما كنتش أعرف شنو كانت تكون الرياكشن ديالهم so الأحسن باش أنا كنت سيكيور شديته باش ما تجيش شي كان عاوتاني تخرجني بماينس 2 و 3% فهمت it's not a good thing فهمتي to happen to you okay so it's a really good setup. We managed to find a sell for 5R around 4.9, which is really good. Continuation. I didn't hesitate to take the trade again because I'm sure about the direction. Okay, I'm not sure, but and a good incline about the direction. Okay. Um, usually price ميك يوصل لهاد الارياز هادو um, usually expect انه يبريكيها directly but sometimes price كيبدا يبول باكي so there's more liquidity اللي كتبيلد below these lows هادو because people think that صافي price ما قدرش يبريكي and it's gonna start pushing higher but ديكشي علاش ال overall market structure or multi-time frame analysis is very important. It actually tells you the big story. So even though we had these reactions, Damon on the back of my mind, I wanted to sell. Okay. Um, usually من شونجنا برايس كاركتر هنايا كنت كنتسنى انه يرجع ما رجعش then we had this reaction. I took this trade to شديتها and مين شفت بان برايس مرة نيوز ما رياكتاش ديال الرياكشن ديال كي سبايكي then I entered again and price shot up directly after the entry ديالي okay so دابا حنايا up 4R. Let's just actually refresh this. Yeah, so حنايا we are 4R up. We can do a small recap, okay? So after a break of swing structure deal 4 hours, we usually expect a pullback. Price pullback in supply zone. The first supply zone, the unmitigated. I think is the only unmitigated supply zone اللي كاينة في هاد الليج كاملة. Yeah. So price ميوصل لهاد الزون هادي. We had our first reaction from it. Price changed a character 15 minutes, came back to the supply zone, then we had a continuation. Price minusal had supply zone, we had a few reactions here. And yeah, I was definitely expecting another price at least here with that demand zone to continue higher. And yeah, usually إذا كانت هاد supply zone هادي تهولدي كنخصو يكمل push ديالو من هنايا but yeah, it tried, couldn't. We had a reaction from here. Price ما بريكاش body, which means then this is not a break of structure, internal structure, so this is just a fractal structure. So yeah, I think this is about it. There's nothing more I can say about this. Really good setup we managed to take today, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow then. Take care.